Hi you guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a full face of drugstore makeup. Some of these are tried and true, stuff I love and I use regularly. Some of these are brand new that I've never tried. So if you like these videos, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up. Alright, so I went to Ulta and CVS yesterday and I picked up some new stuff that I've never tried. And I'm going to use some stuff that I love. Tried and true, best products for my skin. And one of the products I picked up is by Revolution Pro. And this is called their 24-hour brow, day and night brow pen. I got it in the only color they had, which is dark brown, so this could go really bad. I'm scared to use this. Wish me luck, because when I swatched it on my hand yesterday, alright, this could be a learning experience. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. What the hell? Like, how do you use this thing? Let's see what this does. Okay, so the serum pen does work at removing. Oh, okay, wait. That is like making my eyebrow look a little red. Let's just go ahead and do this other brow. See if I mess it up. Okay, so right away, what I noticed I don't like is this is very, very red undertone to this. So I'm going to take some e.l.f. concealer. This is the 16-hour camo concealer. And I'm going to try to fix this brow before I set it. Alright you guys, so this is the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt. This is a tried and true. I ordered this forever ago when it first came out on Ulta for like $8. It keeps your brows up. Okay, let me just say this. My brows look crazy. Like, they look crazy. What the hell? Okay. It's okay. It's okay. And I got another Revolution product. This is the I Heart Revolution. I think this was like $8. This is the Coconut Dream Hydrating Primer with vitamin C and E. And I just put way too much on. Oh, it smells like coconut. I'm not mad at it. I wish it didn't smell so much like fake coconut, but I'm not mad at it. Love my face tacky, super hydrated. For the price, I couldn't beat it. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty. Again, a tried and true, obviously. I've hit the bottom on this. I'm going to try the luminous one next and the mattifying, because I do actually get super oily in summer here. Alright, so this next product I got at CVS. And I've heard of the brand Joah before, but I've never tried it. And this is the Angel Food Cushion Foundation. And this is a Korean inspired brand. So, comes with a little pad, which I swatched it on my hand, so that's why it's dirty already. And it looks just like this. And we're going to test this out today, so. So here's the side with no foundation and the side with foundation. It has very light coverage. It's super dewy. Not mad at it. Okay, so this foundation is actually doing something really weird. It is like peeling off my skin. Literally peeling off my skin. Like, I don't know if it's supposed to... What's going on? I mean, I know my skin's dry, but it feels super hydrated now thanks to the primer. But right here on my jawline, it looks like it's peeling off. My skin's never looked more awful right now. Okay, that actually made it better. It still looks like it's peeling off just a little bit, but it might settle down, so. I'm going to go back in with another Makeup Revolution product. This is the Conceal and Hydrate. And I'm going to use this under my eyes. A little bit right there. And a small bit right there. In there. I'm going to use it everywhere. Alright you guys, so the next product I have is also by Joah. This is the Selfie Ready Setting Powder. Alright, a little on the brush. I'm not mad at it. It does its job. I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush and dust it on my face. Because I forgot to get a different powder to try. Alright, so the next product I have is by Essence. They are a super affordable brand at Ulta. And this is called the Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder for lighter skin. Looks like this, super big pan. Looks promising. So we're going to test it out. This is a Alamar brush that I got in Box Charm. You know what? I kind of like it. Yeah, I really like that bronzer. It went on really nicely. Alright, so the next product I have is also by Essence. This is like $3. It was called the Mosaic Blush. Looks like this. Really like this blush. It is super cute. I'm going to take some setting powder though. Okay, so I did not buy a new Drugstore eyeshadow palette because I already had the NYX Phoenix one at home. I'm just going to do a quick look using this. I'll point to the shadow, put it on, you know the drill. kohl eyeliner and just quickly line my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on. This is the NYX On the Rise Volume Mascara. Volume Mascara. I'm sorry. And this is another tried and true. Love it. And that's it for the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and put some highlighter on. I forgot to buy highlighter, so I'm glad I had this. This is the Wet n Wild loose highlighter, and I'm so lit. This is the Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. Love this stuff. It's super affordable. You can buy it at Walmart, Five Below, sometimes anywhere. So. Alright, you guys, so to finish off with the lips, I'm going to use the Milani. This is the Color Statement Lip Liner in Nude. One of my favorites. This is like my third pencil. And I love it because it actually matches my natural lip shade so perfect. And I'm going to also use the Milani lipstick in Nude also. I used to love this back in the day. I don't know if I still do, so let's see. It smells so good. You know, most lipsticks from Drugstore smells like Play-Doh. This one smells really good. It is such the perfect nude shade. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. This is the finished look. My thoughts on the products. Obviously, the stuff I love is the stuff that is tried and true. I love the NYX On the Rise Mascara. My concealers, which was the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And the e.l.f. Poreless Putty. Love them. I love the Milani eyeliner, the lip liner, and the lipstick. Even though this is a new lipstick, I've used it before. It's tried and true. Love it. It's going to sit right there. I love the NYX palette. This thing is so pigmented. It's amazing. Oh, I also like the Brow Sculpt by Maybelline. This shit's amazing. Like, it's amazing. So the stuff that I tried today that I really liked were the Essence Blush and Bronzer. Actually, you know what? I kind of like this. I'm iffy on this primer though because of the scent. It smells like you're putting a coconut cream pie on your face. I'm a little iffy on the foundation. Like, don't get me wrong, after it settled down, it doesn't look horrible. But I can notice right here, my concealer is sitting right on top of it. Like, it does not want to blend into it for some reason. I found that it is hydrating, but it's sitting on my skin. It's not sinking down into my skin like most foundations. And it looks a little bad. I I kind of like the setting powder. It has talc in it. It has silica in it, but it did its job. I'm not mad at it. I had this for a while. It's not my favorite highlighter because it can get crazy. It does emphasize texture really bad. Another thing I hate. I don't even have to try this again. But I do not like this brow pencil. Pen. Yeah, brow pen. I don't know if I can get to that. That's red. That's not dark brown. That's red. And while, yes, I have natural red hair, that's not very cute on your eyebrows when it starts bleeding off into your skin. So I will have to give that a hard pass. You guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. If you didn't like it, move about your day. I don't care. I really don't. I'm trying to not care, but sometimes it's hard.